Hey, good morning YouTube. How are you doing today? This is Aaron with N.A.S. Garage for another beautiful installment, or episode as I like to call them. Alright, so on today's episode what we're going to be trying to do is we're trying to weld this, get this welding table put together. It's not really a welding table, this is what we're calling it. Basically we're going to make a welding table out of this. So stay tuned, see some really cool stuff.
Not what I expected, honestly, not at all.
Alright, so let's get to work. We got some measuring to do, some cutting to do. And then we gotta figure out these hinges. We gotta figure out mounting that. So we have a lot to do because we gotta get this mounted up and then done right. So let's get to it. Alright. So we cleaned the metal up this time. Cover. 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 What, dude? You can look through here. Look through here when I'm doing it. It's kind of cool. All right, cover. Yeah, how I'm like moving the weld, I'm like pushing it down in.
Doing that in slow-mo.
No, this doesn't do that. Would look cool in slow-mo though.
Oh, come on!
Oh, it's just too small. Now it's very important that you prep your metal surfaces properly before welding. That's what Nathan's doing right now. He's over here grinding the edges because we're going to have to weld to those edges. They need to be very clean for the welds to stick well. If you don't clean the edges, the welds just won't look good and they won't stick well. So that's what we're doing now. But this paint really sucks. It smells horrible. How's that, bro?
Pretty good.
Sweet.
You just need some acetone.
Oh, to clean that up. Do you have acetone?
Got alcohol. I think I got acetone here somewhere.
Do you got denaturated alcohol?
Maybe up there. I think I got xylene actually.
Xylene.
Xylene's another type of solvent, but still good. They also dry the surfaces.
Okay.
All right, what do you think?
It's time for some action, buddy.
All right, let's do some welding.
Go inside, boys. I don't want to get my eyes burned.
Good enough.
Bring me a while.
All right. Well, we did it. We got the welding table built where it is going to be very functional. A few key things that are really cool that we did. Watch out for that. Key thing we did was welded the top on. Top is all welded on. The grinder, it swings. It's on a pivot. See here? That's pretty cool. Locks in there. Yeah, bam, just like that. And it's up there. And then you just tighten it down. And you got like, we're gonna get some wing nuts for that. But for right now, we just have these little J hook dealies on there. We got the welder down here, and there's enough room for when this thing swings down that it doesn't hit the welder. We got a little hook over here for hooking up the cables. We got 1, 2, 3 up here, but I'll show you that. Here's the ground over here, connected. But what we're gonna do with that is take off that and bolt it or screw it right to somewhere. Probably bolt it right here because it has a bolt right here. So I'm probably gonna take that off and bolt it right here, and then take the clamp and put it inside to save it for later. But we can just bolt the ground right to this. This little hook here, beat that on with a hammer, and that just holds this up and out of the way. We still want to mount this vise somewhere on the table. We may end up welding like a little nose out here a little bit with that other piece of plate we have, because we have a whole nother plate, and honestly, we could probably make it, we can make this a little bigger if we have to, if we want to like just weld an extra couple, places to mount that.
This does want to push right up against that.
Nice.
It's like pushing against it with weight.
Nice.
Ooh, wow, that's hot there. I don't know if that's nice.
Oh, it's still hot there. Okay, we'll put a spring on it.
What happened to when we put this thing sideways? Do you remember? Oh, the thing would stick out. That's right.
Yeah. So here's the little plug here. 1, 2, 3 shows 3 little outlets right there. So this thing's pimped out, ready to rock and roll. Now all we do is we got, oh here, check this out. Up this 8, check it out. We end up getting, that's right, pipe stuff for pipe bending. So, apparently my brother Nathan picked these up, Craigslist. Like little set dooley dally here. We got this 1 inch, and then we got 1/4 inch. Right, is that 1/4 inch? 3/4 inch. 2 inch, 2.5. I mean, yeah, we got the dillies. We're gonna hook it up. We're gonna be able to weld up some chassis out of some 1 inch or some 3/4. 3/4 is not bad either. Well, we got 1 inch pipe out back, so that's what we're gonna use for the main part of Fox 1. When it comes to suspension stuff, we may end up getting like 3/4 stuff. But who knows? But yeah. All right. So that's gonna do it for us for tonight. Pretty cool. We got that done, all in one little diggy. So next time you see this, it'll probably be in action, actually getting some work done, you know, on it. So yeah, real simple. Just flip it upside down. It went and did its thing. So like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.
Thank you very much.
We'd appreciate it. And yeah. Until next time, we'll talk to you later. This has been N.A.S. Garage.